And it might go up to 1.4 lakhs and the highest variant.
That is 250.
Actually, that's 250i. 1.4, somewhere in the ballpark.
This kind of tool can be printed.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you.
It's not a printed place situation.
This is sturdy.
Sorry? Yeah, absolutely. This is actually our least strongest plastic. We really don't recommend people using this for something that's sturdy. We would recommend using a material called ABS. So the strength ratio is significantly higher. Unless you want, strength to weight ratio, then you go for carbon fiber or carbon fiber nano.
These are like organs, is it?
Oh yeah. So that was somebody from the nephrology team. This is
So this is for teaching purpose?
yeah, this is for teaching purpose. Somebody came to us and asked us to build that.
Super good.
That's the actual size of
Hard printed on the machine.
Yeah. It's called the heart of the machine. And then we have this.